How's it going, folks? Now, many of you have probably already started a forbearance program back in April, June of last year. Now, as you know, the first extension included 180 days, followed by a secondary extension of another 180 days. Now, it's almost time where the second extension is going to expire. Are there talks for an additional extension? At this point, nothing has been said. Now, if everything plays out as it currently is, it looks like at the end of this extension, you are going to be given different options from your lender. I actually did a video where you can find it here, which talks about the different options lenders might be offering you when these extensions expired. Now, if you are thinking of maybe not taking any one of these 4 extensions, now there is a 5th option, and that is refinancing your property. Basically taking the payments that you did not make and adding them onto your new loan after you've refinanced. Now, if you are considering this option, I do have some guidelines that have been changed to benefit you as a consumer. And with that, the title says, how soon can I refinance after exiting my forbearance plan? Well, as you know, it's all going to depend on what type of program you currently have. Now, if you have a conventional loan, which is backed by Fannie and Freddie Mac, well, they only require you to make 3 regular payments. Once these regular payments have been made, then you will be given the option to refinance your property and take advantage of these low mortgage interest rates. Because if you think about it, if you have been in your home for the last 3 years, you can get a mortgage rate at least 1 point lower than you currently have. Now, going back to this, it used to be that you had to wait 12 months for you to be able to refinance. Again, this is no longer the case. You only have to make 3 payments. After that, you can go ahead and apply to refinance your property. Now, for all the people that have an FHA, which is a government-backed loan, again, it includes the FHA, the VA, and the USD mortgages. Well, they have a different set of rules. And these apply as followed. Borrowers who have an FHA mortgage won't have to make a lump sum payment post forbearance. Instead, lenders may give these borrowers a second lien. This second lien, you will be able to either pay it off when you sell your home or you refinance in the future. Again, this is according to the Financial Protection Bureau. Now, as I had mentioned before, if you bought a house 3, 4, or even 5 years ago, chances are your interest rate is probably hovering in the 4, maybe even 5% range. Or even if it's in the mid 3%, if you were to refinance, you could totally take advantage of these really, really low interest rates. And with that, let's go take a look at how those rates are looking as of today. Okay, and we're going to start with a conventional loan, 30-year fixed, and requires a 20% down payment. This column here that I'm highlighting represents the interest rates that we're offering today as of January 4th, 2021. I always like to add what occurred the day before. You know, we had some holidays, so these are the rates that we were offering back on December 30th, 2020. As you can see, not a lot of things have changed. If anything, rates did go up just slightly to a 2.625 for the people that have a 740 FICO score. Depending on your score, you can just pause the video and take a look at what the rate is that we're offering you as of today, as I had previously mentioned. Now, with that, let's jump on to the second program, and that's going to be an FHA loan. Same criteria. These are rates fixed for 30 years. And as opposed to the conventional loan, this only requires a 3.5 down payment. And as you can see on the FHA or government loans, we did see a significant change across the board. Again, you can just pause the video and you can just take a look at these interest rates depending on what type of FICO score that you have. And with that, to conclude this video, if you are about to complete your second extension under the forbearance plan, do give me a call. Chances are we might be able to refinance your property, get all those payments that were not made during either the first 6 months or the full year, put them as part of your new loan under a lower mortgage rate, and chances are you might actually just end up even with a mortgage payment similar or lower than what you currently have. If you are thinking of putting your house on the market, definitely give us a call. We can definitely help you on that as well. And with that, God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.